Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, as you can see, is Tunisian Tuesday. So in today's tutorial we are going to learn a new Tunisian stitch, which is Tunisian purl stitch. This is a very beautiful stitch, is like knitting, and you can just do it crocheting it with this giant long Tunisian hooks. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, watch this video until the end, and share it with your friends if anyone is interested in Tunisian crochet. And also, if you are new to my channel and you are considering to subscribe, please do so. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms. I would love to have you there as well too. Also, I wanted to say that you can do the increase or the decrease of this stitch. I'm not going to show it here because I already did it in my first Tunisian crochet tutorial, which I will link it up here. So you can just follow that tutorial for the increase on both sides or the decrease on both sides. So that tutorial, you can find it up here. I will just show you step by step how you do the Tunisian purl stitch. So let's just get into this tutorial. So I'm going to use just a very normal acrylic yarn and this Tunisian hook. In my case, I'm using a 3.5 mm hook, size 4 in the US. So first we are going to do the foundation stitch, and for that we did the foundation stitch in my first tutorial where I show it step by step, but anyway, let's do it here. So let's do the foundation stitch. So first we are going to do a number of stitches that you want to. So let's just crochet some chain stitches. Okay, so I did a couple of stitches, chain stitches, and now let's do the foundation row. So we need the forward row. So insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn under, pull up, and the next stitch, insert the hook, pull up, and then you keep all the loops in your Tunisian hook. Do that until you arrive at the end. Okay, so once we have all the loops on our hook, we are going to do the return row, and then we are finished with the foundation row. So we work the first stitch with the chain, and now we work all the stitches 2 by 2 of the hook. Yarn under and pull through 2 loops, yarn under and pull through 2 loops. So we are just going to work off the hook the stitches 2 by 2 until we arrive at the end, and it remains just 1 loop on the hook. And here we are with the foundation row. Okay, so now we are going to start the Tunisian purl stitch. For that we have to do the necessary movements. Tunisian purl stitches are crocheted with the working yarn in front, so you have to put the yarn in front, then insert the hook from right to left in the front bar, like this. Then follow my actions and pull up a loop. Repeat with each stitch across. This is what we are going to do. Again, in the front, the yarn, insert the hook in the next front bar, then grab the yarn from the front and pull it through, and keep all of them on the hook. Okay, let's do it one more time. This is how it is going to look like. So do this for the forward row until you arrive at the end. Grab all so put the yarn in the front, insert the hook in the front bar, in the next front bar, and then just yarn under, pull through. Okay, so this is how it is going to look like once you are finished with the forward row for the Tunisian purl stitch. Then you just work off the hook the stitches 2 by 2 as you did for the other kind of stitches. So yarn under and chain the first stitch, and now 2 by 2 close the stitches off of the hook until you end up with just one stitch on the hook. And here we are. This is a Tunisian purl stitch, and you just repeat the action of the forward row and return row as many times as you want to. So just do again, work the front bar, the front bars with the yarn ahead in front of. Work all the front bars one by one like this. Okay, and then the return row, work the first stitch, make one chain, and then work the stitches 2 by 2 off of the hook until you arrive at the end with just left with just one loop on the hook. Okay, so this is how the Tunisian purl stitch looks like. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, so if you just repeat this forward row and return row over and over again, you are going to have the result that I showed you earlier. So this is the front side, and here is the back side. It's very nice in the back as well. So I really hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up as I told you, and I will see you on my next Tunisian stitch. And of course, wait for a Friday tutorial, which usually is crocheted handbags or special things like that. Okay, so I hope I will see you on Friday as well, and I will see you on my next one. Tschüss!